Adding a label. A label serves as a spacer on a Moodle course page. It can be used to add text, multimedia, web widgets, and much more. Today we're going to look at a few of these. Let's begin by reviewing how you can add a picture. In a previous video, I showed you that you can simply drag a picture file from your desktop or computer onto there. Once there, you can upload it, and edit it. This is great if you just want to add a single file to your web page. However, what would you do if you wanted to, let's say, add some text with that picture? This would be a great opportunity to use adding a label. You're going to select Add an Activity or Resource and add a label. Make your text editor bar available, and let's toggle to full screen so you can see what you're adding. In this case, I'm going to add some text. I'm also going to adjust the heading size. Remember, this is a great way to add consistency throughout your course and organization. Once I've added my text, I can go in and add the picture that I'd like to do. I place my cursor where I would like it to appear. Selecting the Insert Image icon, I find my file, select it, and upload it. Just like before, I have options to add a description, and change the appearance. Align it to the left or right, change the dimensions, and also add vertical or horizontal space between the text and the image. Once I've done that, go ahead and click Insert, and you can see in preview the picture appears. I'm going to toggle back to small screen and save my changes and return to the course. Here you can see how I've used the adding a label to create a heading, text, and add an image. You can also use a label to insert a media file. Let's add an activity or resource, and again select Label. I'm going to show those editing tools and then switch to full screen so I can see. Like before, I'm going to add a heading so that my students can visually see that this is something new on the page. I'm going to place my cursor where I'd like the media to appear, and then select my Moodle media icon. I'm going to go and find my audio file and upload it to the course. A preview screen will appear where you can see the player bar. In this case, since it's an audio file, I'll select Insert. Notice that in the preview screen it doesn't appear like it will in the course. Toggle back to small screen, save and return. And you can see right here that my label heading there is there, and when I push play, students can then listen to the audio notes that I've written. Creation of the game. In early December 1891, Canadian-American Dr. James Naismith, a physical education professor and instructor at the International Young Men's Christian Association Training School in Springfield, Massachusetts, was trying to keep his gym active on a rainy day. He sought every way to keep his students occupied and at proper levels of fitness during the long New England winters. This is a great way to add audio to your course. You could do a welcome or actually deliver content. You can also upload video files as well, using the same process. Another great feature of Moodle and labels is that you can add widgets. There are all sorts of widgets. You can embed Pinterest widgets that show boards. You can embed Twitter widgets which show Twitter feeds. You can do all sorts of things, basically anything that has an embed code. Today I'm going to show you how to add an embed code or a video off of YouTube. To begin with, let's go find that YouTube video, select Share, and locate the embed code. Copy that embed code, and then return to your course. Select Add an Activity, Label, and Add. Add your heading and any additional descriptive text you would like to include. And then switch to HTML editor, source editor. Notice that the HTML code appears. Place your cursor where you'd like the video to appear and paste in the embed code that you took off of the YouTube channel. One thing you'll notice is that the width and height are set there. You can adjust those to make them what you'd like on the course page. In this case, I'm leaving them alone. Return to your small viewer, save and return to course. Once there, you can see that your video now appears. Students can view it on the page or expand it to full page. It's important to understand that the label has a lot of versatility in your course. You can add text, images, audio or video files, and web widgets. It's a great way to add diversity to how you deliver content to your students.